Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into exciting manufacturing business ideas that leverage easy-to-use machines for electrical and plastic products. It's a field ripe with opportunity, perfect for entrepreneurs looking to start a business with relatively low barriers to entry. Let's explore some viable ideas. First up, let's look at manufacturing electrical extension cords. This is a very practical product that is always in demand. The basic machinery needed includes a wire cutting and stripping machine, a crimping machine, and a molding machine for the plugs. Raw materials are relatively inexpensive, and you can buy them in bulk. Increasing your profit margins. Safety is paramount here, so make sure all products adhere to relevant safety standards. Another great idea is manufacturing phone chargers and USB cables. The process is similar to extension cords but involves different connectors. You can offer a variety of cable lengths and designs to cater to different customer needs. Now, let's move on to plastic products. One of the easiest businesses to start is manufacturing plastic containers and storage boxes. You'll need an injection molding machine. These machines come in various sizes, so you can start small and scale up. Target a niche market, like food storage containers or specialized boxes. Next, consider manufacturing plastic toys. This can be a very fun and creative business. However, you'll need to design your toys or purchase existing designs. The injection molding machine is again the key piece of equipment. Consider the safety standards for toys, especially if you're targeting young children. Another business venture could be producing plastic components for electronics. This is a bit more specialized but potentially very profitable. The machines needed are similar, but precision and quality control are essential. Think about things like plastic housings for electronics or small components. Similarly, manufacturing plastic enclosures for electrical equipment is very useful. The demand is quite steady. Focus on creating durable and weatherproof enclosures. Also, consider producing plastic packaging. This could include things like blister packs or clamshell packaging. This is very applicable for the electronic products that you create, or you could offer this to other businesses in your area. Key to success in any of these businesses is market research. Identify your target customers and understand their needs. Build strong relationships with suppliers to ensure a steady supply of raw materials. Prioritize quality control and establish efficient production processes. You must also comply with all relevant safety standards and regulations. Don't forget marketing and sales. Develop a strong online presence and explore local sales channels. These business ideas offer excellent opportunities for entrepreneurs. With the right planning and execution, you can build a successful manufacturing business in the electrical and plastic product sectors. Good luck, and happy manufacturing!